I don't think you're going to like this video. You're going to go on the grill. Three Stooters. And roll over, see right my belly. Hello everybody. I got tagged or challenged, whatever you want to call it, by Stringfield Ridge Farms. Y'all need to go over and check their channel out. I think they're at 498, and we're showing some support, get them over 500. But the challenge is getting out of the kitchen. So let me show you what we're going to do. All right, everybody, what I'm going to do, well, I got my chicken here. You can go out, catch you one, pluck it, or you can do like I did, go to the store. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and rub it down with olive oil. Give it a good dose. Get all over it and inside of it. Get a little squirt inside. Rub her down good. And my second step, I only got like three steps, and this is my wife's veggie dust. And if I can get her to, I'll have her put the ingredients in the description that will help. This stuff is excellent. What I'm going to do is just kind of sprinkle it all over it. Rub her in too, rub it in all the little cracks and everything. Look at the inside. Rub her down. Alright, this is the hard part. Got the beer can. And I want to throw just a couple, maybe 3 slices of apple in there. And just maybe 2. And now we got to get it over the beer can. Alright, there it is. Now we're ready to go to the grill. Alright, let's get her on the grill. It's going to take about an hour and 30 minutes to get it done. But I think it's going to be good. Let's kind of put the skin over its top. I got this from Lee. Thank you. And we're going to let it cook for about an hour and 30 minutes, and we'll be right back. That's my luck. As soon as I put the chicken on, it starts storming. Alright, we got her done. We got the chicken there, and we got the corn. You know, got a little bit more chicken, but we got some family that came in and unexpectedly, and so we had to put some more on, but it's looking good. I'll see y'all later, and y'all have a good